always invest depending on your goal. And the longer you stay in the market, the better. Ang returns po ng mutual fund investments ay compounding. So mas matagal tayong invested sa market, mas mamaximize natin yung returns ng investments natin.
So, this is a major factor. At ito po, ang hatid nito, syempre, higher.
Hi everyone, this is Guzman from Ramber Financials. And today, we will talk about the benefits of investing in mutual funds. So bakit nga ba sa mutual fund tayo? So first things first, define muna natin kung ano ang mutual fund. So mutual fund is an investment company that pools money from different investors and they will invest it in various investment vehicles, most commonly stocks or bonds, depending on the company's objectives, goals, and policies. Now, there are two ways to invest in the stock market. Number one is direct investment. From the word itself, it means you will buy the stocks directly. Ikaw mismo yung pupunta sa Philippine stock market to buy your own stocks. Ikaw yung magtatiming sa prices, ikaw yung magbabasa ng charts, you will trade your own stocks and you will create your own portfolio. So that's direct investment. Number two is indirect investment. So indirect investments are managed funds or pooled funds. So meaning there is someone who is doing it for you. There is someone na actively managing your assets, your investment in that fund. To understand mutual fund much better, I have here a story to share to you guys. So for example, gusto kong pumunta sa Baguio and that is my goal. And now, meron akong dalawang options to reach my goal. So yung una kong option is ako ang magdadrive papunta sa Baguio. Ako mag-i-start ng sarili kong sasakyan. Pagka-start ko ng sasakyan, titignan ko yung gasolina ko, tignan ko yung temperature ng sasakyan, tignan ko yung langis, tignan ko yung tubig sa radiator, titignan ko yung electricity, tignan ko yung mga ilaw ko kung gumagana lahat. And ako yung magdadrive all the way to Baguio to reach my goal. While on the other hand, meron tayong bus company na pwede tayong mag-commute, pwede tayong sumakay sa bus, and marireach ko yung goal ko nang nakaupo lang ako sa bus. Because someone is doing it for me. Sila ang gagawa ng lahat ng yun. At ako nakaupo lang, relax lang ako, and I can achieve my goal. And of course, it's a bus company, it's a bus, it's open. With the same goal as mine, pwede silang sumakay to achieve their goal, which is makapunta rin sa Baguio. Let's talk about the types of mutual funds. So guys, meron tayong 4 na klase ng mutual funds. Unang-una dyan ay bond fund o para sa mga conservative investor. So, bond fund ay naka-invest purely sa fixed income instruments at ang average earning niya ay 6%. Number 2, money market fund or MMF. So, para dito sa mga conservative investors. So, naka-invest ang MMF sa short-term fixed income instruments at ang average earning niya ay 2%. Number 3, stock fund or equity fund. So guys, itong fund na to ay designed for aggressive investors. Design din ito for long-term investments at naka-invest ito purely sa stocks. So guys, there are more than 300 stocks listed in the Philippine Stock Exchange at dito nila yan ini-invest purely. And out of all the funds, ang stock fund din ang may pinakamataas na average earning. At ang average earning ng fund na ito ay 18%. So ngayon, meron tayong tinatawag na index fund. So ang index fund ay isang long-term investment outlet that allows you to diversify your money in a mix of domestic stocks. And the index fund aims to mirror the performance of the Philippine Stock Exchange Index. So ngayon, ano ba yung Philippine Stock Exchange Index? So meron ditong 30 companies na member ng Philippine Stock Exchange Index. At ito yung pinakamalalaking kumpanya na listed sa Philippine Stock Exchange. So example, unang-una sila Aboitiz, Ayala Land, Ayala Corp, BPI, BDO, Pure Gold, SM, Jollibee, and many more. The index fund is for you if you are interested to mirror the performance of the Philippine Stock Exchange Index. Para sa iyo din ang fund na to if you have a high appetite for risk and willing kang mag-invest ng long term. So number 4, balance fund. So itong balance fund naman ay designed for moderate investors. At ang asset allocation ng fund na ito ay stocks and bonds. Combination po yan. Kaya para po ito sa mga moderate investors. At ang average earning dito ay 12%. So again, bakit nga ba maganda mag-invest sa mutual funds? Bakit nga ba sa mutual funds tayo? So here are the benefits of investing in mutual funds. So number 1 dyan, diversification. So diversification meaning kinakalat mo yung assets or cash mo. It means not putting your eggs in one basket. And with that strategy, kalat na kalat yung pera mo, nalilesen yung risk ng mga investments mo. So now, let's take a look at Warren Buffett's portfolio. So tignan po natin dito sa slide na to. So ganito yung pagkakalat ng investments niya, ng assets niya. So makikita natin dito, personal or yung personal assets niya, 9%. Ayun lang yung ginagamit niya. And yung pinakamalaki dito, 34% nasa food. It's because investors see Mr. Warren Buffett na McDonald's and Coca-Cola. And those are big, giant companies. So meron din diyang banks. So ayun yung JP Morgan Chase & Company and Bank of America. So number 1, that's diversification. So next one, mutual funds are tax exempted. Under the Republic Act 8424, so mutual fund gains are exempted from taxes based on the Comprehensive Tax Reform Program. So ginawa po ito to encourage and to promote long-term investing dito sa ating bansa. Number 3, professional fund management. So sino nga ba si fund manager? So I'm sure naririnig nyo na po yan para sa mga viewers natin, sa mga nakapanood ng video. So sino nga ba sila fund manager? So the fund managers are the well-equipped, the well-educated, and the well-trained. So sila yung sumasabak sa market. So sila yung magaling dyan, sila yung expert dyan. Ang trabaho po ng mga yan, pagpasok nila sa opisina, nakatingin yan sa mga screen, may screen for news, may screen for charts, may screen for the market, and sila yung gumagawa nito actively. Number 4, affordability. So guys, for as low as 1,000 pesos, you can now start your mutual fund investment. So sa mutual fund investment, nakakalat na yan. And yung 1,000 pesos mo, pwede ka na maging investor ng iba't ibang kumpanya. So before, as mentioned by Boss Rex, so nakakwento niya, nung panahon, dekada 80, 90s, sobrang hirap makapag-invest sa stocks. It's because sobrang liit nung market, hindi ka papansin ng mga broker kung maliit yung pera mo. They require a large amount of money bago ka makapag-invest sa stocks. And yung minimum na investment sa stock natin sa mutual funds, naging 50,000, naging 10, naging 5, and now, for as low as 1,000 pesos, makapag-start na tayo ng mutual fund investment. Number 5, safety. So guys, mutual funds are highly regulated by SEC. So kung titignan natin yung mutual fund structure, may kita tayo dong external auditor. So si SEC, sila yung government body na nag-e-ensure na may check and balance sa mga audits ng mga external auditor. Number 6, convenience. So now na isa ka ng investor ng mutual funds, you don't have to participate sa stock market because there is a professional fund manager who will actively manage your investments. So sila yung pupunta sa market, sila yung papasok everyday 8 to 5 p.m. Sila yung mag-check ng market natin, ng news, ng mga charts. And of course, yung forms natin, how to start the investment. So, with our website, makikita natin doon yung application forms. And of course, sa mga principals natin, madadownload natin doon yung forms. And yung funding natin, meron tayong online fund transfer, meron tayong bills payment, and there's a lot of way to fund your investment. Number 7, liquidity. Now guys, if you'll ask me, is my investment redeemable? The answer is yes. Pwede po nating i-redeem yung investments natin sa mutual funds. So now, SEC has one restriction na ang asset under management ng isang mutual fund company ay hindi po pwedeng i-invest 100% sa mga securities. At least 5 to 10% must be liquid. Paano nga ba gumagana ang redemption sa mutual fund company? Now guys, it doesn't work like an ATM card. So meron po tayong tinatawag na redemption form. And dun po sa redemption form na to, kailangan natin i-fill up ito. Lagay natin yung account details natin such as account name, account number, number of shares na gusto nating i-redeem, the amount, and yung bank account na gusto nating pag-transferan ng funds natin. Lastly, very important, always invest depending on your goal. And the longer you stay in the market, the better. Ang returns po ng mutual fund investments ay compounding. So mas matagal tayong invested sa market, mas mamamaximize natin yung returns ng investments natin. And did you guys know, for as low as $1,000 or 1,000 pesos, pwede tayong mag-start ng international and multi-asset investments natin. So regarding that one, panoodin niyo po yung isang video ni Boss Rex dito sa YouTube channel ng Ramper Financials. And of course, mutual fund has no age limit. Pwede po tayong magbukas ng mutual fund account para sa anak natin, sa pamangkin natin, or sa kapatid natin. And in the future, pwede po natin yang ipamana or ibigay na regalo sa kanila. So kung gusto po natin ngayong magbukas ng mutual fund account, please leave a comment, send us a message on our Facebook page, send us an email, and one of our financial advisors will get in touch with you. Guys, that's it for me. I hope you learned a lot in this video. Please like our Facebook page and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And kindly tap that notification bell for our future uploads. Again, this is Morgan D. Guzman. Thank you.
So, this is a major fact at ito po ang hatid nito. Siyempre, higher